More so to that new development tonight in the civil case against Casey Anthony.
Her lawyer is now asking the judge to delay the defamation case until after her death penalty trial concludes. West 2's Bob Keeling has been breaking news in this case since day one. And Bob, what are the chances that this lawsuit filed by Zenaida Gonzalez will actually end up being set aside?
Well, Scott, if you ask Zenaida's lawyer, Keith Mitnick, he said this case is Her civil attorney says the defamation suit filed by Zenaida Gonzalez needs to take a back seat. That's the argument made by her legal team this week in their renewed motion to stay the case until after the criminal matter is resolved.
The death penalty case deserves full attention.
While Casey is facing the possibility of capital punishment, Orlando defense attorney Richard Hornsby says it's not fair Gonzalez's civil suit has been allowed to go on.
There is no way that she can defend herself with the death penalty case pending over her head, because what person would go and walk into a civil courtroom or deposition or voluntarily participate in that, knowing that every word she says can then be used against her or somehow twisted to be something incriminating against her?
What's more, Hornsby says the ongoing civil depositions of key witnesses in the criminal case are creating new inconsistencies for prosecutors to deal with. That could make the murder trial even more lengthy and expensive. But Gonzalez lawyers say their client had her name and reputation trashed by Casey, and it's not fair to ask Zenaida to wait for civil justice. And Casey's lawyer, Jonathan Kaysen, in a phone conversation, told me he's hopeful the judge will grant this motion. Coming up all new at 6, in the criminal case, Jose Baez is casting new doubts about the man who discovered Kaylee's remains, and we'll tell you how straight ahead at 6, Martha.